Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is all about the flowering in my boat lily. This plant is around 3 to 4 months old and this is the very first time I am seeing so many flowers in a single day on this plant. Just look at the shape of these flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Whoever has named them boat lily has done complete justice to it. The shape of these flowers resemble just exactly like a boat.
Boat lily, also known as mosses in the cradle and also known as oyster plant, is a very easy to care for plants. Although it grows in full sunlight as well as shaded area, I would recommend that you keep it under full sunlight to get good blooms, because I have tried keeping it in a shaded area or partially air shaded area, but it kind of stunted its growth and it did not show any improvement. So if you want blooms like this, you better keep it under full sun. Since it's winters now, I water my boat lily only once in 2 days. And also, if we talk about fertilizer, I fertilize it once in 15 days or so by vermicompost or any other organic compost. I mostly use either vermi or kitchen waste compost, which I make at home. If you want to watch the video, I leave it in the I button. These flowers, once dried, produces seeds, and sometimes it just falls off the plant and thus creating new boat lily. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.